Dolly. Noun. A contrivance, turning on a vertical axis by a handle or winch, and giving a circular motion to the ore or laundry to be washed, a stirrer. Dolly. Noun. A tool with an indented head for shaping the head of a rivet. Dolly. Noun. In pile driving, a block interposed between the head of the pile and the ram of the driver. Dolly. Noun. A small truck with a single wide roller used for moving heavy beams, columns, etc., in bridge building. Dolly. Noun. A small truck without steering means to be slipped under a load. Traditional UK artisan usage. Dolly. Noun. A compact, narrow-gauge locomotive used for moving construction trains, switching, etc. Dolly. Verb. To move an object using a dolly. Dolly. Verb. To wash laundry in a tub using the stirring device called a dolly. Dolly. Verb. To beat red-hot metal with a hammer. Dolly. Verb. To crush ore with a dolly. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.